Question number 2. Sorted evidence strength score 1 to 100 extract from the complaint text. Sorted value 13, 15 to 17. What is a mean score? What is a medium? What is a mod? Comment on modality. What is a mid-range? Estimate Q1 and Q3. Gives the 5 number summary. Draw a box plot of a score. In this context, how is quartile QQ plot different from a quartile plot? Example to check if the evidence score follow a target distribution assumed by the DSS. What is the mean of a data? What is the medium? The arithmetic mean of a data is uh, total sum of n divided by number of total number of data. The arithmetic mean of data is the sum of all the numbers divided by the total number of data present. That is 809 divided by 27 equals to 30. The median value of a ordered set as the number of value in the set is odd of a data is 25. What is the mode of a data? Comment on the data modality. The data set that has two values that occur with the same highest frequency is therefore by model. The model value occurring with the highest frequency of a data are 25 and 35. What is the mid-range of a data? The mid-range average of a largest and the smallest value in a data set of a data is 70 plus 13 divided by 2 is 41.5. Can you find roughly the first quartile Q1 and the third quartile Q3 of a data? The first quartile corresponding to the 25th percentile of a data is 20 and the third quartile corresponding to the 75th percentile of a data is 35. Fifth is give the 5 number summary of a data. The 5 number summary of a distributor consisting of a minimum value, first quartile, middle value, third quartile, and the maximum value. It provides a good summary of a shape of a distribution, and for this data is 13, 20, 25, 35, and 70. And the box plot of a data would be starting from 13, then the box start from 20, and the mid range would be 25, and it will end at 35, and it will go till 70. How is the quartile plot different from a quartile plot? A quartile plot is a graphical method used to show a approximate percentage of a value below or equal to the independent variable in a univerted distribution. Thus, it displays quartile information for all the data where the value measured for an independent variable are plotted against their corresponding quartile. The quartile plot, however, graphs the quartile of one univerted distribution against the corresponding quartile of another univerted distribution. Both axes display the range of a value measured of this corresponding distribution, and plot and point are plotted that correspond to the quartile value of a two distribution. A line y equals to x can be added to a graph along with a point representing where the first, second, and third quartile lie. In order to increase the graph informational value, uh, points that lie above such line indicate a corresponding higher value of a distributed plot on a y-axis than from the distributed plot on the x-axis at the same quartile. The opposite effect is true for point lying between this line. The fourth question is a district index sample record complaint age and self-assessed incident impact percentage for 18 complaint. Age is given in this data and the percentage is impact percentage given. Compute mean, median and standard deviation for the age and impact percent. Draw box plot for both and draw a scatter plot and a QQ plot to study the relation. To calculate the mean, median and standard deviation of a age and percentage paired. For a variable age, the mean is 46.44 and the median is 51 and the standard deviation is 12.85. For the variable percentage, the mean is 28.78 and the median is 30.7 and the standard deviation is 8.99. B. Draw a box plot of a age and percentage fact. This is a box plot of age and this is of fat. Draw a scatter plot and a QQ plot based on the two variable. This is a QQ plot and this is a scatter plot of this variable.